Moringa Oil 16-ounce bulk extra virgin natural luxury oil in-depth reviews. This product has 4.6 stars based on 88 ratings and 4 reviews. 90% of customers have overall ratings of 4 or 5 stars, while ratings of 1 or 2 stars accounting for 5% of all reviewers. Let's look at a recent positive review. It said great moisturizer for hair and scalp. I tried this on the backs of my hands to see how it would feel. I tried several drops and I could not feel anything. My skin was very soft, but there was no oily residue whatsoever. I mix this with rosemary, tea tree and argan oil for a hair and scalp moisturizer. It works well so far as my scalp is no longer and it feels great between trips to my hairdresser. Is there anything the product needs to be improved on? Let's take a look at a critical review. May. Hasn't done anything for me or my extra dry skin. I bought this worth the hope it would combat tretinoin dryness, but no. I also don't see any other benefits from using it twice daily or using it on my hair. That's it.
Everyday Beauty's Moringa oil contains fatty acids, amino acids, and natural antioxidants. It has a fruity, floral scent with a warm, nutty undertone. It's rich in protein and easily absorbed, making it an effective skin and hair treatment. It can help soothe inflamed and irritated skin, provide anti-aging benefits, and reduce the appearance of fine lines and improve skin elasticity. This makes it ideal for a dry, aging skin, and then for your hair, it locks in moisture and improves shine and strength. Everyday Beauty's Moringa oil can be used on its own, or you can also use it in your DIY skincare formulations like shampoos, face serums, or lotions.